Technology fact.
AI ethics involves moral principles for responsible AI usage. Businesses recognize its importance, with searches for AI ethical issues growing by 7,519% in 5 years. These concerns can lead to product failures, brand damage, and legal issues. Countries are implementing AI regulations, such as the EU's proposed AI Act, to govern AI use and establish ethical guidelines. Next is the growing importance of responsible AI. Searches for responsible AI have risen by 3,450% in 5 years. It provides a framework for organizations to make ethical choices when implementing AI systems. Gartner positions responsible AI in the innovation trigger phase of their artificial intelligence hype cycle, indicating its increasing interest until it becomes mainstream in the next 5 to 10 years. Diffusion models are machine learning models that generate new content based on training images. They distort an image and then recover it, creating multiple fresh images from a single sample. These models have gained popularity for their ability to produce high-quality images, surpassing those generated by widely used GAN models. Notable AI image tools like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion use diffusion, further fueling interest in this model. Next is the trend of generative AI for business. Searches for generative AI have increased by 1,150% in the last 6 months. Small and medium-sized businesses and enterprise companies are increasingly utilizing generative AI. Once trained, it can generate diverse content at scale, reducing content creation costs. Trending generative AI products include AI art, music, and video generators. Emerging startups like Nightcave and Soundraw are also gaining attention in the generative AI field. Albumentations is an open-source computer vision tool used to enhance the performance of neural networks. Specifically, it is a Python library that facilitates image augmentation. The tool allows for customizing images by applying various transformations like blurring, scaling, rotating, transposing, etc., enabling the creation of large machine learning training datasets from a single image. Albumentation stands out from similar alternatives due to its impressive speed, as validated by several tests ranking it as the fastest image augmentation tool. The project has garnered over 12,100 stars on GitHub. What's next? Albumentations is part of the synthetic data meta trend. Interest in synthetic data has surged by 625% over the past 5 years. Synthetic data refers to information artificially generated through computer simulations, which serves as a training resource for AI. That's it for this week.
Please like and subscribe.